It's a great day out there today. I'm Campus Connect meteorologist Jordan Naresberg. That junction cam sure looks nice, especially on a weekend like this, and I'll talk more about that in a bit. Right now we're at 55 degrees with the humidity at 47%, and it's a little bit breezy with the winds from the east-northeast at 7 miles an hour. That story is pretty much repeated throughout the southeast. 54 in Nashville, 55 here in town. Closer to the coast, we're getting a little closer to 60. Places like New Orleans and Mobile are in the upper 50s in that area. Today we're going to be getting up to 72, so it's going to feel really nice. It's going to be a bit breezy though with that east-southeasterly wind at 10 to 15 miles an hour, but it's going to be a nice day nonetheless. Tonight you may want to put on a light jacket if you're planning on going out on Friday night as part of the Friday night Super Bulldog Weekend activities, because it's going to be a little bit breezy and it's going to feel a little chilly with the low at 42 degrees, but we do have that southeasterly wind, and that's going to be ahead of this cold front that's going to bring us some of that rain for Sunday morning. Speaking of which, Saturday at 6 o'clock, it's going to be a little bit cloudy throughout much of our region, and the same story is going to go for 10 o'clock. But then moving off to our west, looking at the Delta, that's when some of the shower activity is going to start pushing into the Delta region, and it's going to start to come into our area throughout the night. Like, speaking of throughout the night, at 8 a.m. as you're heading out to church, that's when we're going to see a lot of the rain in places like Ackerman, Winona, Coffeyville, and Eupora. And then it'll start to shift on through the Golden Triangle, and they should be out of here, the main system that is, by at least 2 o'clock, if not earlier than that. Although we cannot rule out a stray shower or storm, especially at 6 o'clock, places like Ackerman, Eupora, Houston may start to see a stray pop-up shower or storm throughout the day. And Super Bulldog Weekend, what a huge weekend it is in Stark Vegas. People coming out from far and near for this event. And Friday, it's going to be a clear day at 72. Saturday, we're going to get up to 75 for the spring game. So no excuse for you not to go out to Davis Wade and enjoy potentially a record attendance for the spring game. And then on Sunday, that's when we have that chance for some storms, but they'll definitely be in the morning. So don't necessarily cancel those afternoon plans for Sunday just yet if you have them. And looking at your extended forecast, we do see some cloud cover on Saturday. It's especially going to be late, and it's going to remain dry throughout the day on Saturday. But Sunday, after the morning showers and thunderstorms, we're going to be just fine. It's going to be mostly cloudy throughout the day, except Monday and Tuesday, we still have that chance for some showers and a pop-up storm. But later next week, we should be dry.